Hi there, it's Gavin Bacon from Professional Accountants and Tax Consultants with a branch in Pinetown and a branch in Umhlanga. Just to let you know a bit more about myself, I've been in the game since the 1990s. I started studying in 1988, qualified back in 1990, and then I went to the Receiver of Revenue for 2 years. I didn't do my practical training, instead I went to the Receiver of Revenue for 2 years. After then I went on my own, became independent. Then worked for a company called Wakefield's. I was their financial manager, and I was with them for quite a while. Then we hit a luck, and my wife won some money on Tuba. That gave us a kickstart. We decided, bugger that, I don't want to be working for a boss forever. I'd like to work for myself. I always wanted to work for myself as an accountant. So what I did is, it was something that I always pursued. I come from a family who have always owned their own businesses, most are being entrepreneurs. So always wanted to run my own business. Got going straight away. Started off with literally 1 and 2 and 3 clients, and literally worked from home. Built up slowly but surely over a period of time, and as time went, built up more and more clients. My wife at the time, Estelle Bacon, she joined me. We ran the business successfully for a couple of years. Then we did the whole baby boom thing. We had two girls, Ashley and Nicole. They then took up quite a bit of her time, and she decided no, she wanted to step out of the business for a while. I then took it over full time. Lo and behold, within about a year, she became bored, and she said no, bugger that, she wants to be part of the business again, which she did. And it's gone from strength to strength. Back then we called ourselves action accountants, taking on the whole node of that we would take action. If you wanted us to do your work, we would get that stuff done straight away. Then a couple of years later, about 10, 12 years ago, we decided action accountants wasn't necessarily the most professional name. So what we did is we took on the name Pinetown Accountants, and we've been running as Pinetown Accountants for a good 12, 13, 14, 15 years. We've gone from strength to strength. We started off, we only had about 1 staff member, and then 2 staff members. We're right up now to about 14, 15 staff members. We've got 2 independent departments, a bookkeeping department, which does all your monthly work and processing and so forth. And we've also got an accounting department that focuses on basically annual financial statements and tax returns. I oversee the 2 departments. But we do have full-time secretaries, and we also have departments where we run other people's affairs, make sure that their bills are paid, make sure that everything is up to date. So we offer a complete service. We're a complete one-stop shop. You can fit yourself into our parameters wherever you'd like to. If it's a straightforward tax return, maybe you're an elderly person or a pensioner and you just want us to do a tax return, right through to a big multi-company that doesn't want to do anything, in the sense that they want to focus on what they do, and they haven't got the time to invoice, they haven't got the time to receipt, they haven't got time to follow up money. We can do that whole bank, that whole service for you as well. So we fit ourselves in wherever you'd like us to. We're a firm of accountants, but there's a big demand for bookkeeping, so we offer a bookkeeping service. So it's the complete bookkeeping, accounting and tax service. My speciality is tax. I've got a degree in taxation. So if a client has a big tax liability for whatever reason, whether it's VAT, whether it's PAYE, whether it's income tax, my speciality is to look at it much closer, have a look at what I can do to try and reduce his tax liability within the realities of the law, such as bringing in his wife, bringing in another company. If you've got a company that's running at a loss, mingle the 2, get the 2 together so the one loss is claimable against the income and so forth. And we're quite successful at that. So we basically could say we have 3 facets. We've got the bookkeeping, the accounting and the tax speciality. Right now we've opened up a new branch in Umhlanga. It's going from strength to strength. It's very difficult getting a new branch off the ground because 70 to 75% of your referrals come from people who physically refer you. And obviously with that branch just starting off, we don't have that many clients as yet. But lo and behold, we'll get there. It's something that we're working on, and I think it's something that we can get to in the near future. In looking towards the future, I'm hoping to get that branch well established. I'm also hoping to possibly even open up another branch in, say, the Glenwood area or one of those other nice up-and-coming areas, so that we can also move forward and offer a service in more than one area. We're currently known as PATC, which is Professional Accountants and Tax Consultants, with a branch in Pinetown and a branch in Umhlanga, and hopefully down the line maybe in a branch in, say, Glenwood or somewhere. What sets us apart? Well, we're trying to offer that personal service. We're trying to focus on doing work well, doing it hard, doing it right, representing the client in the best way possible, so the client can free up his time or her time to focus on what they do best. Maybe they're plumbers, maybe they're electricians, maybe they're architects or whatever. They need the time to do their work and to focus on their work. It's difficult when you've got to worry about VAT returns and PAY returns and so forth. And what sets us apart is that we specialize in doing those tasks for you at a very good rate so that you can focus on your time else. How to get hold of us? The best thing to do is pick up the phone and phone us. Then you deal with us straight away. You know who you're dealing with. Have a look at the number that's coming up on your screen right now. You can give that number a ring. It's our main branch, which is Pinetown. We'll definitely get someone to assist you. Or pop us an email. That's also coming up on your screen. Also, if you want to look at for more information, refer to our website. You'll see who are the different people working in the various departments. They will be able to email you. Once you've emailed them, they'll be able to reply to your email and they'll be able to get back to you as soon as possible. And don't wait, get it done as soon as you can.